Welcome to Health Crusaders. I'm Bob Priest, and if you're here, I know you're looking for answers, just like I was. I thought I was doing everything right, but then, out of nowhere, I had a stroke. One moment I was fine, the next, my world was turned upside down. That moment changed everything. Traditional medicine helped me survive, but I didn't want to just survive. I wanted to thrive. That's when I discovered spiritual, holistic, alternative, and functional health. Redox signaling, natural healing, biofeedback, energy work, and much more. When I applied these principles, my recovery took off. My energy came back, my body responded, and I realized healing isn't just about medication. It's about mind, body, and spirit. That's why I started Health Crusaders, to share my journey and bring you real experts, practitioners, and stories of transformation. If you're ready to take control of your health and explore new possibilities, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Hello again to Health Crusaders and the Redox Revolution. I'm Bob Priest, your host. Hey guys, let's get real today, okay? If you're waking up exhausted, dragging through your day, you're relying on coffee or some caffeinated beverage to function, your mitochondria are waving a little white flag. These little power plants inside your cells control everything: energy, metabolism, brain function, and guess what? Redox signaling molecules play a major role in keeping them running at full speed. So today we're breaking down how to turn your mitochondria back on and get your energy back without stimulants, crash diets, or biohacking nonsense. Here's the 101 of mitochondria and why it matters. Every cell in your body has mitochondria. They're literally producing the energy you run on, ATP. When mitochondria break down, you get fatigue, brain fog, weight gain, and disease. Mitochondria dysfunction is hidden. It's a hidden factor behind chronic illnesses, aging, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The redox mitochondria connection. This is really where it gets real. Redox signaling controls mitochondrial health. If your redox system is failing, your mitochondria can't produce energy efficiently. It can't produce energy efficiently. Listen, studies show that redox molecules protect mitochondria from oxidative damage, keeping them running smoothly. When your cells are properly signaling, old damaged mitochondria get replaced by fresh new power plants. Think about that. And here's how you can supercharge the mitochondria. Would you like to know that? Here's the first idea: intermittent fasting. Fasting stimulates mitochondrial renewal. Exercise and movement, or abbreviated HIIT. Training and resistance workouts that stimulate new mitochondrial growth. Pretty cool, huh? This one will get you. Cold exposure. Ice baths and cold showers trigger mitochondria biogenesis. Translation: more energy production. So, what is the missing link? support redox function. This is the missing link. When redox signaling is optimized, mitochondrial efficiency skyrockets. That's the important part. So, mitochondria are the key to feeling alive again. If you're feeling off, tired, sluggish, unmotivated, it's time to focus on cellular energy. You don't need another energy drink. You need to wake up your mitochondria. And redox signaling is the secret sauce to making that happen. Now, stay with me for episode 4. This is when we're diving into how redox can impact brain health and neuroplasticity. This is where things really get wild. And trust me, I've lived this. Until next time, my friends, keep thriving. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.